Welcome to PartsHnC. In today's video, we're breaking down the actual cost of replacing an AC compressor, a critical component responsible for cooling your home efficiently. If your air conditioner has stopped working or you're noticing unusual noises, understanding compressor replacement costs is essential before you commit to any repair. The compressor is like the engine of your AC system. It pressurizes and circulates refrigerant, making cooling possible. When it fails, your whole system grinds to a halt. And replacing it isn't cheap. A replacement AC compressor can cost anywhere from $800 to $2,800, depending on the size of your AC unit. Larger units cost more to replace. The specific brand and model. Premium brands mean higher prices. Local labor and service costs. Rates vary by location and complexity. Whether it's still under warranty, warranty coverage can cut costs drastically. Here's the big question. Is it worth replacing? If your AC unit is under 10 years old and in otherwise good shape, yes, a compressor swap makes sense. But if it's 12-15 years old, consider a full system upgrade. It might cost $4,000 to $10,000 upfront, but you'll save on energy and future repairs. Looking to replace your AC compressor or upgrade your HVAC system? Visit PartsHnC for high-quality components, trusted brands, and expert support to keep your home cool and efficient all year round.